Imagine that tourists who come to your hometown disrespect your local culture, litter, and harm the environment. But destination managers are constantly working to increase tourist numbers and never ask what you think. It is likely that you don't trust their decisions and you are getting increasingly annoyed with tourists. Unfortunately, this is what often happens in tourist destinations when local communities are not involved in any decision making but bear the cost of tourism. The hostility and conflicts are inevitable and can't be easily managed. This video will inform why and how to engage local communities in tourism development to reduce friction and enhance harmony with tourists. So why engage? Well, engaging communities is the core to the sustainability of the tourism industry. It builds credibility and trust, it makes projects more legitimate and accepted, develops supporters and champions for your project, it ensures conservation of the environment and local culture, and it adds value, bringing local knowledge and expertise, and provides the destination with a distinctive competitive advantage. It also helps to ensure mutual learning. Together we can learn from past problems, identify current problems, local sensitivities and cultural differences that could easily be overlooked by external consultants, and it helps to identify potential conflicts earlier to stop them from escalating. If you don't engage, your project is unlikely to be legitimate and accepted by the communities. Only the promoting shared ownership of decisions, it is more likely that stakeholders will be willing to contribute to the joint implementation or co-production of results, and that long-term support is secured. You will not know what the residents' need, wishes or concerns are. Failure to understand local concerns or sensitivities can delay, jeopardise or just completely block tourist projects or initiatives. Potential conflict can turn into full conflict and antagonism, which can then become much harder to manage. So how can you engage? Well, to gather input, understand local needs and issues, the methods include interviews, focus groups, roundtable discussions, small group workshops, multi-stakeholder meetings, emails or web surveys. Online consultations help those who can't attend in person to reach large numbers of people. However, a deeper community stewardship and true involvement in project governance involves a real sense of ownership and decision making in the project. Opportunities include membership of a community steering board, community members on the DMO boards of directors, involvement in programming and operations through membership of a community association, community programming or other committees. Tourism involves a wide range of stakeholders, including local residents who are important players in a destination's success or sustainability. Planning and managing sustainable tourism should always involve finding ways to engage community members in ongoing communication and appropriate participation formats to listen and respond to conflicts, build support for tourism, and prevent and manage potential conflicts. Thank you for watching this video on why and how involving local communities can reduce friction and enhance harmony between local communities, businesses and tourists. For more information, try out the additional resources and materials through the ESTET project website, estet-project.com.